Last month, I made a decent amount of money. I paid my bills. I ate out a few times. I didn't go crazy. And yet, by the end of the month, I had almost nothing left to show for it. Sound familiar? Here's the thing. Most people have absolutely no idea where their money is actually going. Not a rough idea. No idea. So I ran an experiment. For 30 straight days, I tracked every single expense. Every coffee. Every impulse buy. Every subscription I forgot I was paying for. And what I found, honestly surprised me. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do this yourself and what to look for. Let me explain exactly how I did this, because the method matters. For 30 days, I logged every single purchase, no exceptions. Food, transport, subscriptions, entertainment. If money left my account, it went in the tracker. I used a simple budgeting app. I'll mention which ones work best in a later video, but honestly, even a notes app works fine. The tool doesn't matter. The habit does. I split everything into 6 categories: food, housing, transport, entertainment, subscriptions, and miscellaneous. And here's what I found after 30 days of complete honesty with myself. Category 1, food and drinks. Food was the biggest wake-up call. I thought I was spending maybe $250 to $300 a month on food. Reasonable, right? The actual number? $487. Here's how it broke down. $190 on groceries, that part was fine. But $297 on eating out, takeaway, and coffee runs. Nearly $300 a month just because I didn't feel like cooking. That's $3,564 a year on convenience. Just let that sink in. Category 2, subscriptions. This one was embarrassing. I thought I had maybe 4 or 5 subscriptions. Netflix, Spotify, maybe a cloud storage thing. I had 11. 11 recurring charges every month, and I had completely forgotten about at least 4 of them. $143 a month on subscriptions. That's $1,716 a year, for services I wasn't even fully using. I cancelled 4 of them the same day I found this out. That's $52 a month, back in my pocket, for doing literally nothing. Category 3, the miscellaneous trap. Every budgeter's worst enemy, miscellaneous spending. The category where everything small goes. A $12 Amazon impulse buy here. A $20 thing I needed there. A random app purchase. It adds up terrifyingly fast. My miscellaneous total for the month, $218. That's over $2,600 a year in purchases I couldn't even clearly recall making. This is what I call the invisible drain, the money that disappears without any single purchase feeling like a big deal. So after 30 days and a lot of uncomfortable honesty, here are the 3 biggest lessons I took from this experiment. Lesson 1. You spend more than you think, always. Every single person I've spoken to about this says the same thing. I thought I spent less. Nobody ever thinks they overspend. The tracking process is humbling, but that humility is worth thousands of dollars a year. Lesson 2. Convenience is the most expensive habit you have. Takeaway food. Same-day delivery. Premium apps. We pay a convenience tax on almost everything, and it compounds daily. Cooking 1 extra meal a week at home could save you $1,000 a year. Lesson 3. Small leaks sink big ships. No single purchase ruined my budget. It was the death by 1,000 cuts, $8 here, $15 there, that added up to hundreds of dollars of invisible waste every month. Plug the small leaks first. Here's the good news. You don't need a fancy system to do this. Here's exactly how to start today, in 3 steps. Step 1, pick your tool. A spreadsheet, a notes app, or a budgeting app like YNAB or Mint. Doesn't matter, just pick one and commit to it. Step 2, set up 5 to 6 categories. Keep it simple: food, housing, transport, entertainment, subscriptions, and other. Step 3, log every purchase same day. The longer you wait, the more you forget. It takes 30 seconds per transaction. That's it. Do this for just 1 week, not even a full month, and I promise you'll find at least one thing that surprises you. Probably several. Tracking your expenses is one of the simplest, most powerful things you can do for your financial life. It costs nothing. It takes minutes. And it will show you exactly where your money is going, which is the first step to actually controlling it. If you found this useful, hit subscribe, because every week I'm breaking down exactly how to build better money habits, without the jargon, without the fluff. Next video, I'm going to show you how to build your first proper budget using the 50-30-20 rule, and more importantly, why most people get it completely wrong. See you there.